So there is a giant bird in my backyard. I don't know what it is. It's huge. It kind of looks like a turkey. I am not sure. It's large. Apologize for the shaking. We're in like super zoom. That Damien, what do you think? He is not sure. But yeah, that's a large bird in the neighbor's yard. I think that Damien wants to stalk it. That Damien. Where are you? That Damien. Come on. Leave it alone. Come on, boy. I know. Come on. Come on. Poor boy. What? Yeah? I know, there's a big bird in your area and you're just like, what is it? What are you, bird? I don't know what to do with you. I didn't even do it. Fat Damien. Oh boy.